afternoon, friends. Great day to all of you. So, friends, there's big news again. Hundreds of dollars can be claimed by low-income households. Congressional lawmakers are taking action now to avoid a government shutdown from occurring this month. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and many other Democrats are beginning negotiations on new relief legislation. Friends, here's your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. Please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all of these details. And to say thank you for watching every day, I'm giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos and then commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you watch and also leave a comment on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways.
Is not using its time to examine the country's current situation. America is on the brink of a recession, which would do more harm to families than anything else we could be discussing. Inflation has risen 13.8% since Joe Biden took the oath of office. That means families are spending more money on clothes for their kids and food to feed them. Our economy shrank 1.6% first quarter of this year, and current forecast shows that this quarter it shrank again. 25% of Americans are reportedly postponing their retirement because of financial concerns. The average family will spend over $5,000 more this year just to make ends meet. The labor force participation is also down, and we still have over 11 million job openings, due in part to the Democrats' decision last year to remove work requirements from the child tax credit. The Federal Reserve has raised interest rates at the fastest rate in 40 years to combat Biden's inflation crisis. The rate on a 30-year fixed mortgage is now double than what it was before Joe Biden took the oath of office. The biggest threat to families right now is not a lack of government spending. We are in a state of crisis precisely of reckless government spending. None of this happened by accident. Washington Democrats, they purposely dumped trillions into the economy. They paid people not to work, and they strangled American fathers.
So lawmakers are back in Washington for a pre-midterm election sprint, preventing a government shutdown with a top legislative item for all congressional lawmakers. The political environment has shifted over the past few weeks. This is impacted by a batch of legislative wins for Democrats earlier in the summer, and signs the inflation-laden economy is somewhat improving. Democrats are now far more confident they can stem expected losses in President Biden's first midterm elections. They are hopeful they can retain majority control in the Senate, while preventing Republicans from gaining a broad majority in the House. Passing a short-term spending bill before the deadline of September 30th at midnight, when government spending is set to expire, will be a top concern for both chambers. The bill will need the support of some Republicans in the Senate to get the 60 votes needed to pass. Democrats want to demonstrate to voters that they can govern responsibly and not allow a damaging shutdown. In the Senate, Democrats will also keep confirming federal judges nominated by President Biden. With government funding set to expire at the end of this month, both chambers are expected to pass some kind of stopgap funding extension in the next coming weeks. It is to avert a shutdown. Stopgap funding bills are known on Capitol Hill as a continuing resolution. Senate Appropriations Chair Patrick Leahy, a Vermont Democrat, is aiming for a continuing resolution to run until mid-December to allow lawmakers time to finish the regular annual appropriations bill before the end of the current session of Congress. During a news conference, Senator Chuck Schumer told reporters, "There is a whole lot to do. One of the important things we have to do is judges. We've got to get these judges done. They're very important, and we will keep working on them." Hawaii Democratic Senator Brian Schatz summed up the to-do list for Senate Democrats concisely when asked recently by CNN News what the September work period will look like. He stated, continuing resolution and judges. Amid concerns that higher prices will hurt consumers' wallets, some states and federal lawmakers are looking at ways to ease that pain at the gas pump. United States Representatives Mike Thompson, John Larson, and Lauren Underwood of Illinois introduced a Gas Rebate Act of 2022, which would send monthly payments of $100 to Americans where the average gas price is higher than $4 per gallon. The program would begin to phase out for individuals earning more than $75,000 and couples earning more than $150,000, and then phase out entirely for individuals with an income of more than $80,000 and couples earning more than $160,000 per year. But not everyone agrees that tax rebates limit the impact of high gas prices on the economy. One federal policy analyst says that tax rebates may not solve the problem of post-crisis supply constraints and oil markets, but still several U.S. states, including California, New Jersey, and Delaware, are implementing or considering gas tax rebates, and about a dozen other states are looking at suspending gasoline taxes while prices remain elevated. State-by-state gas price variations reflect several factors, including proximity to refineries, local gas taxes and regulations, and overall demand. State-by-state gas price variations reflect several factors, including proximity to refineries, local gas taxes, regulations, and overall demand. In Kansas and Oklahoma, for example, gas prices remain among the lowest in the country because they have relatively low taxes and smoothly running nearby refineries. Friends, the key word for this video is Tulsa, Oklahoma. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Tulsa, Oklahoma, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you are subscribed to my channel. Well, my marvelous and magnificent friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this afternoon. Thank you, my dear friends, for joining me here every single day. I truly and greatly appreciate all of you for doing so. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Antonio Simmons. Congratulations, my friend. To claim your gift card, please check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed afternoon.